Happy Father's Day to you all. This video is dedicated to all fathers in the whole wide world. So today we are making old-fashioned donuts. As you can see, we have our flour, our yeast, butter, sugar, and milk. Okay, let's get cooking. We're adding a 2 spoon of yeast into a warm milk, then a cup of sugar into the same warm milk. So turn it now and set it aside. Okay, this is our flour. Our yeast is ready. So we'll turn it inside the flour. I was just sitting today. I decided to do something. A lot of people say fathers are not being celebrated. So I decided to do something to celebrate them. So I decided to make this old fashioned donut because their fathers now are older than us. We need to do something of their time. And I decided to make this recipe. I learned somewhere. You want to understand. Just watch and enjoy for the meantime. So this is it. I've added the yeast into the flour and I also added a little bit of water to it. As you can see, I am mixing it. I need to mix it very well so that all ingredients will be well incorporated. I need to mix it till the dough is soft. Then I'll add my butter to make it very soft, like it wasn't really soft, so this butter now will make it it will be softer than it was before when I needed it. Yeah, so after all these things I'm doing, I will now cover it with a cling film. Just watch and see. So this is the cling film. So it is covered. I'll leave it to double. So it is double in size now. So just punch it, then mix it. Mix, make, you know, you knead it until it is giving me that texture. Then now it's ready to be, it's ready, I'm ready to roll it out. This time we don't roll out donuts, we just cut it into cycle, then we give it the hole or make it a pillow donut. But this is our old fashioned one. You need to roll it, then you use your donut cutter to punch it out. So this is it. Watch and enjoy. So how was your day today? How was the Father's Day? I hope you all enjoyed your day today. At least for those of you who lost your dad, all the best. And those whose their father are still alive, all the best. Don't worry. Everything has a reason. Take heart for those of you that lost your father while growing up. It is well. You can see I finished rolling out that one. This is the a remain from the former one. So I'm rolling it again to to get extra cutouts. Yeah. Happy Father's Day. So it's all about our fathers today. Everybody has saying mothers, mothers, mothers. Today is for father. Don't worry. Mother's Day is coming and I will give you what it takes to be a mother. For this one, let's just give them to enjoy. You can see the donuts. These are the donuts cut out. It's ready to be fried. We are frying it. So I didn't show you when it doubled in size. So we are frying it. Then this is our donuts, the old-fashioned donuts. Yes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, share this video, and always come back for more videos. Bye.